Welcome back to Profit Path. It's August 24th, 2025, and today's markets are sending some mixed signals. From Wall Street stocks to a major Binance announcement, here's everything you need to know. Let's start with a quick stock update. The Dow Jones Industrial Average opened slightly lower this morning, dipping by 61 points, which is equivalent to 0.2%. This decrease was mainly driven by weakness in the banking sector, with shares of Bank of America falling after reporting lower profits, and also some weakness in industrial stocks like Boeing. On the other hand, the S&P 500 remained almost unchanged. Now, shifting our attention to the Nasdaq, it bucked the downward trend and rose by 0.5%, gaining 65 points. The primary driver behind this increase was strength in big tech. Shares of Apple surged, rising by 3.8%. This surge came after the company announced the launch of the iPhone 15 series, featuring an innovative titanium build and the introduction of a new action button. Additionally, Apple unveiled the Apple Watch Series 9 with a groundbreaking blood pressure monitoring feature. These new products are expected to boost Apple's revenue, especially considering the growing popularity of wearable technology. Another tech giant, Microsoft, saw its shares climb by 1.6% after announcing the integration of AI into its Office suite of programs. This move aims to enhance productivity tools such as Word and Excel, making them more user-friendly and efficient. In contrast, Tesla shares slipped by 1.3%, despite CEO Elon Musk expressing confidence in the company's ability to meet its vehicle delivery targets for the year. However, weaker expectations for European deliveries in the third quarter due to increased competition in the region have weighed on the stock. Moving on to economic news, all eyes are on the upcoming Federal Reserve meeting scheduled for this week. Traders are keenly observing any indications the central bank might give about the possibility of interest rate cuts in the near future. Currently, the market is pricing in a 9% chance of a rate reduction by the Fed in its September meeting. However, with Jerome Powell emphasizing the importance of price stability and the resilience of the US economy, expectations for an immediate rate cut are diminishing. Instead, the Fed's primary focus at this meeting is likely to be on maintaining financial stability and ensuring banks maintain adequate liquidity levels. In energy markets, oil is on the rise, with West Texas Intermediate crude climbing by 1.4% and Brent crude gaining 1.2%. These increases were fueled by supply concerns in the Middle East after drone attacks on Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates. This has raised the prospect of supply disruptions from major oil producers. As a result, shares of ExxonMobil and Chevron, two major US oil companies, rose by 1.3% and 0.9% respectively, benefiting from the rise in oil prices. Finally, let's cover some breaking crypto news. Ethereum is also seeing steady performance, trading above $47.85, showing a minimal change of 0.05% over the past day. Next month, Ethereum is poised to undergo a major network upgrade known as the Sapphire upgrade. This upgrade is aimed at enhancing the network's efficiency and scalability while reducing transaction costs. The cryptocurrency community is closely monitoring the progress of this upgrade, and its successful implementation could have a significant impact on Ethereum's future price action. In other crypto news, Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally, has announced a strategic partnership with a leading payment provider. Through this collaboration, Binance aims to expand the adoption of crypto payments across Asia. This move is part of the exchange's broader strategy to enhance its payment services and provide users with more convenient and accessible payment options. Meanwhile, in a separate piece of news, European regulators have once again turned their attention to Binance, summoning the exchange to provide additional information about its operations. The regulators are scrutinizing whether Binance has been in compliance with anti-money laundering rules and know your customer regulations. This latest regulatory action is part of a broader effort by European authorities to ensure the cryptocurrency market operates in a safe and compliant manner. To stay updated on all things finance, subscribe to Profit Path and tap the bell icon to receive notifications. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more, check out our other content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you back here tomorrow.